In this video, I'm going to show you how to play music on TF2 Voice Chat. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, I'm going to present you with two methods to play music on TF2 Voice Chat. The first one is by using this tool called Soundpad. It is available on Steam and it is very easy to use. As you can see, it has a clean UI and you can easily add whichever songs you want to play on the software. However, this is a paid software, so you do need to buy it on Steam to properly use it. If you do not wish to pay for the software, you have the free alternative called VoiceMod. So I'm going to show you how to use VoiceMod, but be aware that you can also use Soundpad. They are very similar to config and use. I'm going to download VoiceMod by going to www.voicemod.net. Within VoiceMod, all you have to do is go to the Soundboard tab by using the menu on the left side of the screen, and in there you can import any custom sound files you want to play through your mic in TF2. After you add any MP3 tracks you want, open up TF2, set your microphone input as the VoiceMod input, and all you have to do is open up VoiceMod and click on any of the sound files you input, and your sound will be properly transmitted through your microphone in TF2 Voice Chat. I hope I was able to help you on how to play music in TF2 Voice Chat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.